Some people think you need to be a construction worker or a contractor like myself to build your own tiny home.
But we are here to bust that myth.
With our online tiny house academy, anyone can learn to build their own house.
Almost anyone, that is. Definitely need to be really excited to build, and at least over the age of 10.
This class is for you if you have no experience building, but you're really excited about it, if you have a lot of experience building, or if you're somewhere in between.
I love these teachers.
I'm Keenan.
I'm Natalie.
And I'm Ella.
And there's a lot of other awesome teachers too. If you're thinking about building on your own, I bet you can, but you're gonna save a massive amount of time, energy, and money by taking this class. And we've taught hundreds of people how to build, and so we know exactly what you don't know.
YouTube is amazing, but it doesn't always give you a step-by-step holistic view of the project. Instead, you can go down a lot of rabbit holes, and the information is not always curated, and some of it's just wrong. Our class meets you where you are and guides you through the entire process, from site choice and design to roof rafters and interior trim, all based on your experience level. We go at your own speed. We have a complete reference library of video content where we're gonna guide you through the entire process. Everything from how to read a tape measure and use a drill to putting on a roof and wiring an outlet. You can access the content whenever you want and keep coming back to it throughout your build.
Sections of the class include tools, construction steps and considerations, legality and cost, house design, rough construction, finished work, natural building, eco-construction, and we even go into electric solar systems as well as passive solar house design, and so much more. We answer common questions including special considerations for permanent and mobile construction, what tools you'll need, and where and when you use salvage materials.
We're also going to cover questions like the pros and cons of what it's actually like to live in a tiny house, how much you can expect it to cost, and ways to save money, as well as different ways that you can be environmentally friendly.
And we do a series of virtual tours where we get into the nitty-gritty of cost, as well as answer common questions like, did you have experience building this tiny house before you got started? And how long did it take you?
And did we mention the instructors are badass, we're very experienced, we're fun to learn from, we're not your typical contractors, and there are no stupid questions.
So with the Tiny House Academy, everyone can build.